you observe, you can ask another question, that how it is done, how it is being done. There is a entire process of which is happening inside the cell. Now inside the cell there is one another box. If I show you, yes, I hope you are able to see the screen. Now you can see that this is a cell. Now how a cell looks like, I can even show you that also. I'll show you that how a cell looks like. Now see, you can see this compartment, this box. Inside a box, there is another box, which we call as mitochondria. Now here inside it, there is a process, respiration, which is happening. I am just I am simply as I'm simply doing it because that I don't know to what extent you have to study. I don't know your exact syllabus. As soon as I get to know the syllabus, I'll go to the point. So this is a bone marrow. Now if I can show you how RBCs looks like. Now see, this is the cell which is present inside the blood, and it is because of this red blood cells blood appears as to be red. Now these are the various components which are present inside the blood. So what we are going to do is, we are going to we are going to ask ourselves certain questions in each and every subject. First of all, we will do it in maths. So maths and science. You are saying something? So what we are going to do is, our whole journey of study is going to revolve around three questions majorly: why, how, and when. We now, if we try to answer all these questions, that is why, how, and when, most of our questions, most major portion of our subjects, we will be able to complete it, and you will be able to remember. As in how you will practice these three points, exercising these 3 points, your grasp upon your subjects will become stronger. Okay, so this is what I wish to tell you about science. So what do you know about